I got a question left on one of my videos last week that I wanted to address today because I think it's a really important key question and point. And the question was, aren't you worried about getting your product stolen? And this was a huge fear of mine for so many years. And I'm going to tell you exactly why that does not worry me any longer. And this is how you can apply this to your own business. And so for years, I worried in my small town about even someone in my town seeing what I was doing and doing the same thing that I was doing, replicating what I was doing. And I was worried about someone online stealing my ideas and stealing my products and selling them. And that is fair and that's valid. And that is why I always say on my videos, when I'm sharing other people's ideas is that these are, or other people's products is that these are products to get your creative flow going, not products for you to completely copy and just go sell. I will never condone that, and I don't think it's right. But I struggled for a long time worrying about putting myself out there and having my products stolen. And honestly, I put them on Amazon and my products were stolen. I mean, I had so many products on Amazon that I would list, and within months of someone seeing how they were doing, they would come along, they'd sell the exact same products. Sometimes they'd even use my pictures and they would undercut the price and they would sell that product. And this happened when I was selling on Jane.com. This happened when I was selling on Amazon. And so I was always, once I got off of those platforms, I was always a little scared to go on a platform again like Etsy or Jane or Amazon or something like that. Well, Jane has completely changed now and I really have no desire to be on that platform. And Amazon, I know we should never say never, but I don't think I will ever sell on Amazon again because of the undercutting and the copying and all of that. So those are valid concerns. But when it comes to making your products unique, I will preach this over and over and over, is that bundles will save you. So the majority of my products that I sell, my number one sellers are all bundles or kits of some kind. So it is not just one product. It is 10 products maybe in a bundle that someone else would have a very hard time copying each particular product in that bundle. Now, can they pick maybe one product out of my line and sell that? Absolutely. I have many standalone products that someone else can sell and many people are selling. But when you take individual items and create some unique items of your own and put them all into a bundle, this is your shield from the competition. This is how you set your brand apart. This is how you protect yourself from the competition. And this is what I've done in all of my businesses. Every single business that has been successful, I have had bundles and kits of some sort so that it sets me apart from the competition. They also can't price check these things. When you have bundles or kits, it is really hard to go to a competitor, A, and find the same thing, and B, to kind of price compare on similar items that they might be selling. So this is how you set your brand apart. And this took me years to understand. And what made me understand is when I was selling my home decor business and we had to go through, many different people who wanted to possibly buy my business. And, a lot of them came along and they were kind of didn't understand how I ran my business. Or, I had two people come along who were kind of just really in awe of my business. And they said without me, they couldn't do the business. They couldn't run the business. And so, they were looking to sell more on Amazon, platforms like that. And I was really pushing when I sold my business to really grow the Shopify side because I believed that is where the great customers were. That is where people wouldn't come steal your ideas and undercut you. And so I just realized through that process how unique my thought process was on this, that there's just not many people out there doing what I'm doing. And so for someone to come along and completely duplicate what I was doing is just not going to be possible. And so if you are worried about someone stealing your products or stealing your ideas, you've got to create bundles, you've got to create kits, you've got to set yourself apart in that way and make it harder for the competition to copy your product. And that is my number one tip for setting your brand apart. And I'm actually putting together an entire course on this because this is the number one thing I am the most passionate about, is creating bundles and setting your brand apart. And I think that a lot of people don't understand this, and they don't understand that this is what makes you unique and your products unique. I can be selling the same balloons as 25 other people, but if I put those balloons into a bundle and create a whole package deal with that, that is much harder for them to copy. That someone's going to come to me and they're going to buy my product versus theirs because I've taken all the guesswork out. I've done the work for them. So that is really the key to behind all of my success, is creating these bundles and selling them to the customer, having it done for the customer. And that sets you apart from the competition every single time. You will never have to worry about competition if you create your own bundles, your own kits, your own unique products that set your brand apart. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this helps you to understand. And I get it. I've been there. I worried about this for years. It just took me a really long time to understand that if you are creating bundles and doing this properly, you can't have competition. And that is why I'm not on Amazon right now with individual products. That's why, the majority of my Etsy business is focused around the bundles that I sell, because someone can come along so easily. I mean, you have tools like Everbee and Helium 10 that you can go spy and see how people are doing on products. And I love doing that. It's just fun to see how people are making money. And I think it's fascinating, but people can come keep an eye on your products too. And so if they see easy products that they can source easily too, they're going to go do that and start selling and undercut you, and your entire business is gone. So the way to do this, set yourself apart. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below and I'm happy to answer them. And have an amazing day.